Everyone, I'm Jay, a first-generation Jamaican nurse, and I am on a journey to explore wellness and self-discovery through travel. Today we're continuing our series on obtaining Jamaican citizenship, and today's video is obtaining citizenship by marriage. So if you are married to a Jamaican or thinking about marrying a Jamaican, this is the process on how you obtain citizenship. So let's dive in. So first thing first, Jamaican citizenship by marriage is for persons who have been married for 5 or more years to a Jamaican. So if that is you, you are eligible to apply. What you will need is your birth certificate, your partner's birth certificate, proving that they are Jamaican. You'll also need your passport. You'll need proof of address, so a utility bill, something that you can show where you live. And then you'll also need a police record from your home country that proves that you have no criminal record. In addition, if you have any change of name forms, bring all of that stuff with you because they want to make sure that all of your documents are accurate. If you are applying in Jamaica, you may be called in for an interview to see the legitimacy of your marriage. So just be prepared for something like that. Make sure that you complete the application and complete it accurately, making sure that all of the names are spelled correctly. There is no discrepancies in any dates because that will definitely slow down your process. Also, you need your passport photos. So you would, just like Jamaican citizenship by descent, have those photos signed and notarized by one of the officiants on the form, the application form. So once you've completed all of this, you can now submit these documents to the Ministry of Security in Jamaica or to your local Jamaican consulate. So the cost for the local applicants is 50,000 JMD, which converts to 319 US dollars. And for overseas applicants, the total is 265 US dollars. Again, processing times can vary, so you can expect at least a month. I'm just estimating because that's the time frame that I have. However, it can vary for different situations and circumstances. That's it. I hope this video helped to clear up any questions you had about obtaining citizenship through marriage in Jamaica. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have obtained your citizenship through marriage, let me know how that went. I would love to know. Let's have a conversation about it. But I will see you in the next video. God bless you and always stay true to you.